I think what makes Coastline ROP different is that
it's really engaging and hands-on.
It offers a lot of exploration in the career you want to do or possibly want to take.
It's an opportunity for students to take courses with people that are industry experienced and trained.
It's like the perfect way to get experience.
Coastline ROP offers hands-on, real-world training in dozens of high-demand industries, including healthcare, engineering, digital media, and much more.
There's lots of different industries that they can explore through Coastline.
Tonight at the open house, we had animal health care class, we had the dental class, and the EMT class.
They provide students that opportunity to actually see if that profession is one that they want to continue and explore.
It's really cool to see like root canals and like extractions, like stuff that you would not typically see every day.
Gone to the dog park before to observe animal behaviors.
Oxygen administration has been like a really cool process that I've been able to learn.
Whether you're college-bound, career-focused, or still exploring, Coastline ROP helps you to find a path and build a future to be excited about.
That actually made me want to be a dentist even more because I actually like all the procedures that they do.
I'm planning to be a livestock veterinarian. Taking this class has really allowed me to just learn more about it.
Now I'm thinking that I would love to work with bigger animals, maybe mixed animals like livestock or equines.
So why wait? Discover your passion, learn by doing, and take the first step toward a successful future with Coastline ROP.